will discuss about Carnot theorem. We will discuss Carnot's theorem. Very important. This is the Carnot theorem. Carnot theorem is a heat engine reversible and irreversible process. For example, tractor engine hot and cool. First the engine is a rest, that the engine is cool, and the engine is start the slowly upward direction, the heat is generated. Some cold water is converted into hot water is changed to cool water. Okay, first Carnot theorem, the engine working substance, reversible and irreversible process. Statement చూద్దాం first. Statement 1. Okay, and this theorem states that, what is this theorem? Carnot theorem. Okay, the Carnot's theorem, the Carnot theorem states that no irreversible engine can have irreversible, reversible can have irreversible. Okay, the statement can have a greater efficiency than the reversible engine between the same source. The Carnot theorem states that no reversible engine can have a greater efficiency than reversible engine between the same source and the sink. Okay, this is the statement. First, Carnot theorem first statement is explained. The Carnot theorem states that no irreversible engine can have a greater efficiency than reversible engine working between the same working between the same source and sink. Okay, working between or ఇక్కడ చూడండి reversible engine working between అనొచ్చు. ఓకే స్టేట్మెంట్ ఎట్లా చేంజ్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే ఒకసారి చూడండి. దిస్ ఇస్ the Carnot's theorem state that no irreversible engine can have a greater efficiency than reversible engine working between ఏం రాయించినాను ఇక్కడ working between the same source and sink. Okay, this is the statement. Second statement, to all reversible engine working between the same two temperatures will have same efficiency and irrespective working substance. Irrespective working substance. Okay, these are the two statements. First one, the Carnot theorem states that no irreversible engine can have a greater efficiency than reversible engine working between the same source and sink. Second statement, all reversible engine working between the same two temperatures will have same efficiency and irrespective working substance. This is the two statements. Okay, Carnot theorem is working of the source and sink. Source is the temperature T1 K. Source T1 K. Sink T2 K. Source is the hot water, cold. Sink is the cold. Okay, generally our daily life, parent is the drinking milk, hot water and cool water. Milk is a hot, టెంపరేచర్ డిక్రీజ్ చేయడానికి మనం ఏమి ఇచ్చేస్తామంటే నాన్న జస్ట్ ఒక బౌల్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ బౌల్ complete water, second bowl complete water. First bowl water is cooling, second bowl water is heat, temperature. Some milk is hot, water is cool. Milk glass is inside of the water and cool water, the slowly hot water is changed in cool water. Cool water change also hot water. Okay. Example, car, bike, scooty, what are maybe, etc. The car is starting from engine. Engine is starting cool. Engine start raising. The temperature release in body. The system of the body. Some temperature raising. The cool change in hot water. Then vehicle is stop. Water change. Then water is replacement cool water. The heat engine is suddenly cool. The temperature arising decrease. The temperature arising decrease. Okay. The main two statements, the Carnot theorem state that no irreversible engine can have a greater efficiency than a reversible engine working between the same source and sink. Statement 2, all reversible engine working between the same two temperature will have same efficiency and irrespective working substance. Okay, this water may be sinks to source to sink, forward direction and backward direction, reverse forward. Okay, this is the sink and source. Mainly the concept is based on the sink and source. Source is the hot water, sink is the cool water. Source is the temperature T1, hot water, cool water is the temperature T2. Source T1K, sink T2K. Process, the amount of heat is supplied, then the dq, then the net amount of dq. Q is the amount of heat release, some source to sink, hot body to cool body to hot body. Okay, this is the Carnot theorem two statements. Prove చేద్దాం. First statement prove చేద్దాం, second statement కూడా మనం prove చేద్దాం. First statement, the Carnot theorem states that no irreversible engine can have a greater efficiency than reversible engine working between the some source and sink. Okay, right now first diagram, first two statement ని ప్రూవ్ చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ప్రూవ్ చేయడానికి ఒక స్మాల్ డయాగ్రామ్ ని డ్రా చేద్దాం. డయాగ్రామ్ బేస్ చేసుకుని దీన్ని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్. Prove is the proof. The diagram, this is the wall, two layers, some distance, okay. This is the I, this is the R. First one, hot source T1 kelvins. Second wall cold sink. This is the T2K. T2K. Next is the amount of heat. Source to sink. Sink to show. Sink to source. Okay, the first diagram. This is the amount of work, the amount of heat Q, work W. Q minus W. Next one, Q minus W1. This is the amount of Q. Okay. This diagram main based on the reversible and irreversible. Reversible and irreversible. First, to prove the above the statement, let us consider I is a irreversible. I is a irreversible. R is a reversible. I means irreversible. R means reversible. Okay. I is forward direction. Forward. This is the backward. Forward, backward. Forward is the reverse. Okay. First statement. The Carnot theorem states that no irreversible engine can have a greater efficiency than reversible engine working between the source and sink. This is the source and sink. First, let us consider R is a reversible, I is a irreversible. First one, I is a reversible, source to sink. So in clockwise E direction. I is a reversible. The amount of heat is transferred hot water and hot source to sink. R is the reversible. Sink to source. This is the forward direction. This is the backward direction. The amount of heat is working is transmit of irreversible. The working between the W, the amount of heat and working is transmitted in a sink Q minus W. Next, cold sink. Sink is transmitted the amount of heat Q dash. The working of amount of it Q minus W dash. The Q is the amount of heat. Okay. Now Q minus W equal to Q minus W dash. Is greater. The efficiency of irreversible heat engine is greater than reversible heat engine. The efficiency of irreversible heat engine is greater than the more efficiency అంటే irreversible engine is more efficiency of reversible engine. I is the irreversible engine is greater than reversible engine. Q. Okay, diagram equation. Okay, next Q minus W minus Q plus W1 equal to 0. W dash minus W equal to 0. ఇట్లానే ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకొచ్చినా లేదంటే మళ్ళీ మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే the amount of W by Q greater than W dash by Q. Q cancel. The working of W is the irreversible engine. W is greater than W dash. And the efficiency of irreversible engine is greater than reversible engine. Okay. Next is much more than first statement in the Carnot theorem states that no irreversible engine can have a greater efficiency than reversible engine. The working substance, source and sink. Okay, total diagram base చేసుకుంటే మనకి ఏం కనిపిస్తుందంటే let us consider a source T1K and sink T2K. Source T1K and sink T2K. Next దీని స్టేట్మెంట్ తీసుకుంటే నేను ఇక్కడ నుంచి here irreversible engine working between source and sink. First point, let source T1K, let source T1K and sink T2K. Let us consider a source T1K, sink T2K. Here I is a I means irreversible, or దీన్ని ఏమొచ్చంటే forward direction. Next, R is the reversible, or backward direction. I is the reversible engine or forward direction. R is the reversible engine or backward direction. First one, here a reversible engine working between the source and the sink. Source, this is the working source to sink. This is the sink to source. Irreversible source to sink. Reversible sink to source. This is the forward direction. This is the backward direction. Okay. Next one. The forward direction takes place a heat. The forward direction takes place the heat of amount Q from the source from the source, and the amount of heat Q. Next, and some work, and some work W. Next, and remaining balance, and remaining Q minus W. Q minus W. This is the irreversible. Reversible. Reversible is a backward direction reverse. This is the sink to source, the amount of heat Q dash, working W dash, the Q dash minus W dash, Q minus W dash, remaining balance Q, the amount sink to source. The efficiency of irreversible engine is greater than reversible engine, that is W by omega greater than W1 by W dash by pi, W by Q greater than W dash by pi. Q cancel, W is greater than W dash. Next, Q minus W dash minus amount to Q minus W equal to 0. Next, Q minus W dash minus Q plus W equal to 0. Q cancel, W minus W dash equal to 0. This is the sink to source. W minus W dash equal to 0. This is the Carnot theorem. Second statement, all reversible engine working between the two temperatures will have same efficiency and irrespective working substance. For example, AB, capital A and capital B. A is the source, B is the sink. Interchange, B is the source, A is the sink. The efficiency of irreversible efficiency is greater than reversible efficiency. This is the irrespective working substance in second statement. What is the statement? All reversible engine working between the same two temperatures, source and sink, same two temperatures, will have same efficiency irrespective working substance. This is the Carnot theorem. Okay.